Hi everyone, my name is G and I'll be running for Carmarthen Campus President this year.
Study at Carmarthen.
Well, I've thoroughly enjoyed my time here. The local Welsh community is very supportive and I'd love to keep contributing to it. Our campus is small and everyone is really friendly. We have great sports teams, great societies. Whatever you're interested in, there's a society for it.
Carmarthen students.
If elected, I plan to help students with mandatory course costs such as expeditions, travel, placement and other resources. Money is an issue for everyone and I'd really like to help. I'd also like to challenge the university to extend the library hours, especially during exam periods. I know it can get really stressful at that time. But university isn't all about studying. I feel like it's time that we invested more money into sports facilities and making the students the priority in the facilities that we already have.
SABB team.
I've been a course representative for 2 years, so I'm very comfortable working in a team environment. I'd be really interested in hearing the ideas from the other campus presidents so that we can all work together to create a better students' union. Voting opens on the 8th of February, so don't forget to check your student emails and remember to vote for me.